We are changing the planet. We are causing an upheaval of the Earth ecosystems that we depend on. This is a very dangerous course we are on. I'm Peter Towns.
My name is Brad Hall.
And I'm lead scientist of NOAA's Global Greenhouse Gas Reference Network.
I'm a physical scientist with NOAA's Earth System Research Laboratory. I work in the Global Monitoring Division, where we make measurements of greenhouse gases all over the world as part of a network. It's important because we want to keep tabs on our atmosphere. We need to know the status of our atmosphere and how it's changing over time. And at some point, we want to be able to attribute changes in that atmosphere to action that we take as humans.
We want to make enough of these measurements, and they need to be good enough, that we can basically verify how well countries are able to follow through on their pledges to reduce emissions. The basis for that is very careful calibration.
What we're trying to do is establish a reference that everybody can use so that when we make these measurements, we all basically know that we're measuring the same thing in the same way. And that reference actually comes from Colorado. We fill tanks of air in the Colorado mountains and use that as the reference. So the changes that we see across the globe are all referenced to Colorado air.
Every sample that we measure is bracketed by measurement of calibration gases. Every hour or every few hours or every other sample, we inject gas from a tank, a high-pressure cylinder, that we know very, very accurately how much CO2 or methane or nitrous oxide is in there. And we register the response of the instrument to that reference gas.
One of the things that makes me proud is that, as we've done this over the years, the measurements have gotten better and better across the globe.
If somebody looks at our measurements several decades from now, they can be fully convinced that the measurement is as good as we claim it is.
It's extremely important because we need a long-term record of the changes of these climate gases in the atmosphere. We have greenhouse gases going up in the atmosphere, and we have to do something about it. We've shown we can do something when we put our mind to it and we take action.